Good morning, children. Today is Wednesday. Today is 29 July 2020. Children, next take your rhymes and songs book, book number 6. Open page number 17. My home is the best. Children, in this rhyme, you will learn about animal homes. We all stay in our home. Yes? So, the animals also have their homes and they all have different names. So, children, tell me, why do we stay in a home? To protect ourselves. Okay? We all need a home to protect ourselves. So, animals also need a home to protect themselves. So, let us start the new rhyme today. The cow has a barn, the chick has a pen, the horse his stable, the fox a den. The bear likes his cave, the fish his bowl, the rabbit has a burrow, the wee mouse his hole. The bee has a hive, the bird has his nest, the spider his web, but my home is the best. Children, now down you can see sight words. So let us identify the sight words and circle them. T-H-E, the. 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 Now next, H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. Now next, H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. Now the next one is A. Now can you see here? A. 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 Okay, children, please practice the rhyme. Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 34. My home. Children, there are different rooms in your house. So let us discuss. What is this called? Kitchen. Kitchen is a place where your mama cooks. Bedroom. Bedroom is a place where you sleep. This is living room. Living room is a place where your guests will come and sit. Okay, this is a place where you keep your sofa set and your TV unit. Okay, this is a place in your house where you can sit and watch TV also. Living room. Bathroom. Bathroom is a place where you take your bath. And this is study room, where you sit and read your books and do your homework. So these all are different rooms in a house. Children, next take your 4-rule book and please write this sentence. I am 5 years old. You have to practice this sentence full page. Okay, write full page. I am 5 years old. Now next, practice at words. So this is how you have to write. Okay, one circle, in between you write, in middle you write at. Now B, C, H, M, R, F. Now how you will blend? B, A, T. Bat. You have to write here, okay? K, A, T. Cat. H, A, T. Hat. M, A, T. Mat. R, A, T. Rat. F, A, T. Fat. So practice reading and you should also write. Okay, children? Next, take your 3rd practice workbook. Open page number 72. Here you have to write numbers from 1 to 50. First you need to trace. Okay, trace 1 to 50 and the same you have to write here, 1 to 50. Okay, children? Next, oral practice of number names. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. Children, you will take these flashcards and practice reading. Take these flashcards and practice reading. I. Repeat. I. I. B-Y by. B-Y by. B-Y by. D-O do. D-O do. D-O do. G-O go. G-O go. G-O go. M-Y my. M-Y my. M-Y my. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. Children, practice all these sight words and you should also revise the sight words which you have learnt yesterday. Bye children. Take care.